Now, to answer this question, all we need to do is to ask ourselves, first of all, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? And the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. The LCM is 6. Now, since we now know our LCM as 6, the next thing to do is to multiply through by the LCM. That means we multiply this fraction by our LCM, multiply this fraction by our LCM, and multiply this 0 by our LCM. Now, to achieve that, we put our 6 in brackets, all right? Then we have 7 plus 3x all over 2, then minus 6 in bracket. Then we have 5x all over 3, and that's equal to 0 times 6. So the next thing we now do is to reduce these expressions to make them simpler. So we'll say 2 divide itself once, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we now multiply these 3 by 7 plus 3x. 3 times 7 is 21. We'll bring down our plus. Then 3 times 3x, we have 9x. So we'll bring down our minus sign. All right. Then we reduce this as well because we have a denominator 3 here and we have a 6 up here multiplying this. So we can now say 3 goes into itself once, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we're left with 2 times 5x, and that will give us 10x, and that's equal to 0 because 0 times any number is 0. And the next thing to do is to begin to collect like terms and see what we can achieve. So 9x minus 10x will give us minus x. And don't forget we have 21 here, and that's equal to 0. So now our negative x, we want to make it positive. So minus x will cross over to this side, becomes a positive x, and the 0, which is positive, will cross over here to become negative. So I'll bring down the 21 that is already on this side. We'll bring down our 21, then plus 0 crosses over to becomes minus 0, and that's equal to a positive x. So 21 minus 0 is 21, and that's equal to x. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 21. All right, so let's see another question. For our question 2, we have x over 3 plus 2x over 3 minus 3x over 4 is equal to 1. So in answering this question, similarly, we ask ourselves what's the LCM of 3, 3, 4, and an invisible 1 that is here, because every whole number has a 1, which is its denominator. All right. So the LCM of 3, 3, and 4 is 12. So having known that the LCM is 12, we'll multiply through by the LCM. We'll multiply this fraction by 12, multiply this by 12, multiply this by 12, and this also by 12. So we can put our 12 in brackets. Then we'll have x over 3 plus 12 in bracket again, 2x over 3, then minus 12 in bracket again. Then we'll have 3x over 4, and that's equal to 1 times 12. All right, so the next thing to do is to reduce these expressions. So 3 goes into itself once. 3 into 12 is 4 times. 4 times x will have 4x. Then plus 3 goes into itself once. Into 12 is 4 times. 4 times 2x is 8x. Then 4 goes into itself once. Into 12 is 3 times. Then the 3 times 3x will have 9x. And don't forget we have a minus sign here. So we'll bring it down, and that's equal to 1 times 12 is 12. So now 4x plus 8x is 12x. Then 12x minus 9x will give us 3x. So we'll bring down our 3x, and that's equal to 12. So the next thing we do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Or we'll simply say 3 times what will give us 12, and the answer is 4. So we can say therefore the value of x is 4. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to please follow me on TikTok at Joe King Maths Class, and also on YouTube at Joe King Maths Class. And also do well to follow me and watch my videos, and also share on Facebook at Joe King. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.